I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up an account on Adyen, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Adyen website. Go to the official Adyen website. Look for the sign up or create account button on the homepage. Step 2. Fill out the registration form. Complete the registration form with your personal and business information. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid issues later. Step 3. Verify your email. Before starting recovery, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Set up two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication 2FA. Follow the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 5. Complete your profile. Log into your new account and complete your profile by adding payment details and any necessary documentation. This step is essential for starting transactions. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to use your Adyen account for transactions. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Good luck!